I'm Stacy Belser from Sawston Wealth Management, and today we are going to talk about taxes. Tax season is upon us, and this year will likely look different than years in the past. So here are a few things to do before you visit your tax professional or use an online tool. There are a ton of forms that revolve around doing your taxes, but there are a few that you need to have ready when it's time to file. These could include 1099s from work or investment accounts, your W-2 forms, as well as a 1098-T if you're still in school. Next, you're going to gather last year's tax returns. If you're using the same tax professional or software, then they likely have these for you. But if you're switching providers this year, then having your last year's tax return will help you check for errors as well as notify you of any changes. If you plan on taking the standard deduction for charitable contributions and expenses, then the next two parts are not nearly as important for you. But if you plan on itemizing these expenses, then pay attention. Now, you're going to round up your receipts. This is especially important if you own a business or you plan to itemize your deductions. You must have these to take advantage of any potential write-off. Once you have them, sorting them by type will help as you begin to file. And finally, you're going to get any records of charitable contributions. Another way to reduce your taxes is through charitable contributions, which is why it's so important to keep track of any of those contributions that you make throughout the year. Keeping a record is going to make it easier for you or your accountant when you file. One step that many people tend to look over is how they're going to spend their refund. There are so many options, but you need to look at what is best for your situation. You can use it to pay off debt. You can also use it to contribute to an individual retirement account, such as a Roth or a traditional IRA, or you can take the money and go on a vacation. No matter what you decide, it's just important to make sure that you have a plan. So, those are my tax tips for you, and happy filing!